guys, if you guys want to go ahead and learn how to do a tracking, follow you on the paddleboard, I go ahead and give this tutorial to you guys so you guys don't have to kill yourself. Remember, one thing you have to remember this: if you're flying this at the beach in the water, you are gonna lose your any drone that you have. It doesn't matter, you got the best one in the market. Just letting you know, it's the way it is. We got birds here left and right, you know. Who knows what we have, but if you do this simple task, you will succeed and you will have a zero completion like what I have. All right, I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I'm just giving you what I've been daily using my drones, experiencing it in real life. All right, it's important thing you want to do if you're gonna think about you want the drone to follow you on the ocean or any other extreme condition. Especially here, there is no, I don't think there's a satellite out here. I got 0 bar, I got no Wi-Fi out here. But if you want to go ahead and learn, before you do this, do your calibration always. If you're just came from a different beach and you're not sure about this beach area, always do compass calibration. And just go ahead and fly it. Just do a little aerial video, get your surrounding first. You know, just lift it all the way up, you know, get some nice view first. Nice, there you go. You know, some cool stuff. You can go ahead and do some views. All right, I got the nice area. I'm gonna go circles. Okay, good. And then I can go ahead and just back up the drone. Just trying to be creative here. And then just this is the area I'm always at. Remember guys, always know your surrounding. And then there you go. So that's like that takes like a minute to do that. So what you want to do when you start doing that, okay, I got all the stuff that I needed. All right, that's where I'm at over there. And then what you want to do, just press it to return to home, and then it's going to return to home to you. All right, the reason why you want to do that is just to be safety. So if something goes wrong over there, because you're not gonna have this with you, you don't want to bring this out there in your phone. Okay, so to be safe, do this first, let it return to home, let it land. When you got this drone land, that means, you know, you're good to go. So right now I'm just doing my view. Nice area. Here you go. So you got me. It's windy, so you got me right now. Just let it land. Remember guys, always better to and I'm gonna go ahead and pause here right there. It's windy right now, and it can still handle it. So that's the cool thing about it. So let's go ahead and go. And go from here. Just playing around. All right. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and land over here, guys. See, it's not perfect. There's some days you're not gonna land perfect, so you can land it this way, it's fine. See, it's not gonna hurt the camera. That's what I like about this drone. Obstacle avoidance, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do this thing. I'm gonna go ahead if EVO can follow me in the water. So it's gonna be crazy. So what you wanna do, okay, And then, I'm sorry, there you go, here. All right, and it should start following me. I'm gonna have it right there. Okay, hold on. Okay, and then now I'm gonna have it. Now it's recording. It's gonna be a little bit windy. The good thing about, see, he's tracking me. It's sunny as hell. And go ahead. I think he's following me. I can see my shadow. Wow. So you can actually paddleboard and you can have the drone to follow you. But like I said, maybe this video will help you. And it's following me. Oh man, it's wavy. I don't even want to stand up right now. Whew. Choppy days. You know, be honest with you, I just want to see if EVO follow me. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and see. See if he's following me right now. Woo! And then I'm up. Woo! See that, guys? And then you have the drone following you. I wish it's a flat water. Oh man, this is like wavy. With this board right here, it feels like a trampoline. And then we're gonna go ahead and see. It's so quiet. Hopefully this bird don't fly. You see that, guys? And I got the EVO in behind me, on top of me. And I got a lot of stuff to worry about. I don't got no transmitter here with me. Woo! And I'm trying my best to keeping it going. Oh man. So yeah, just make sure you do that and you're good to go. And right now it's windy too. I'm gonna go by. I'm gonna go ahead and go back down. Woo! EVO! Ah, I'm tired already. Woo! This thing is a workout, man. Yeah, he's catching up. See, even though I'm in the ground, as long as you're moving, he detects you. Woo! Woo! Ah man, it's really sunny too. Okay. See that? Smooth, quiet. Woo. Oh man. And I'm also wearing a dark shirt too. I think he probably can see my pants, but still. Whew. It's a workout, man. With these waves here. It's like choppy. I'm gonna go ahead and try if I can ride it. Let's see if I can ride one wave with you guys. And then you're gonna see what happened if EVO lost you. What is he gonna do? Now we'll figure out what this guy gonna do. Just waiting for the wave. It's catching up. See if got any waves out here. You see, that's the reason why I like profile drone, and that's the reason why I picked this compared to a Phantom 4 Pro. Because think about it, when it's really windy and you out here, you're not gonna make it back to your where you started at. So by the time that drone is gonna land, your Phantom gonna land over there, it's gonna roll over and it's gonna go everywhere. It's gonna break an arm, it's gonna break out gimbal, props. Oh shit. Woo! Oh crap, I missed that. Just see if he can still track me. EVO can still track me. I'm gonna go under the water, see if he can track me. Swim. I'm swimming right now. Woo! Let's see what this guy can do. Can he still track me? Wow, he can't track me. So this is what I see. I don't really know. Wow. Wow. Woo. Okay, EVO's still there. Woo. That's a good thing. Wow. That's the only thing bad about this paddleboard, man. It's like a trampoline. It's air, but man, when you hit a wave, you're gone. So I don't know, look like he's still on me. I already swam for you guys. I don't know if the tracking still tracks. Trying to catch one wave. I've been paddleboard for a while, guys. And it's storming right now. Oh, it's a lightning. Oh shoot. Oh no. Woo. Go ahead. Let's see if I can catch this wave. Woo. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah. Ah. Wow. Question, he's still tracking me? Woo. Oh wow. Woo. Oh, he lost me there. Hey, it's okay. It's my fault anyway. Remember, I'm in water. See if he can track me. So it's gonna be a question. Probably lost me in track. Woo. Woo. Yeah. All right, let's go back. See, I went under. So to me, it's okay to do it, man. Old drone do this. But EVO did it in the first try. Surprise. Surprised. Whew. Like I said, this guy's giving me good results every time I use it. Wow. You see that, guys? So I'm gonna go ahead and go back. See, I'm all wet. Very wet. Whew. That's what this guy can do. Whoop, EVO lost me. It's okay. Alright, I still got 6 minutes. I'm gonna do another track. I'm gonna go, let me go, okay. Okay, I do pay attention. Alright, see what this guy can do. So, to do this, the drone is going backwards. Woohoo! It's going backwards! Woohoo! Look at that! Woo! Okay, that's good. That's what I want. Oh man, see, imagine you're in the middle of the ocean. I'm way out there. I'm gonna go and see what this guy gonna do. Yep, he's gonna land. That's good enough. Got me some nice shots. And it's coming back this way. Woo! See that? An EVO is just, wow. See? And you can still caught it, but it's not gonna land right away, I don't think. See, it's gonna wait. Oh, it did land, sorry. Oh man. Whew. That was extreme. Cool, huh? Wow. So, it landed.